Flutter versus Ionic, which one should be your choice? Selecting a hybrid app development platform that has all the functionalities you need for your app can be a challenging task. After all, you have to know which one will let you build your digital product the way you want to without deviating from the budget you allocate. About Flutter. This one is an open source framework created by Google. It functions with a programming language called Dart, also developed by Google. App development specialists describe Flutter as an improved UI toolkit used in building cross-platform apps with just one code base. About Ionic. This one is also a UI toolkit of the open source kind. Developers use it to build cross-platform solutions for mobile devices. Instead of resorting to the native elements of a device, Ionic utilizes WebView. It also leverages JavaScript code bases, such as Angular, Vanilla JavaScript, Vue, or React. The advantages and disadvantages. Both frameworks have specific advantages and disadvantages. These pros and cons will help you find out whether a Flutter app development company will build out a better digital product than the providers of Ionic app development services or vice versa. Advantages of Flutter. Hot reloading. Integration seamlessness. Widget richness. Disadvantages of Flutter. Plugins and tools. UI. The OS. Advantages of Ionic. Independent of platforms. Capacitor. Scalable. Disadvantages of Ionic. Depends on plugins. No hot reloading. Performance. Modularity comparison. Development modularization points to the capability or the extent to which the framework of your choice lets different people with various technical skills and experiences oversee one project. For example, a large app with a jumbled code structure will take longer to build. Performance. You'll know whether to hire Ionic developers or Flutter developers based on the performance standards of both frameworks. App architecture. Selecting the appropriate architectural framework will make the development process simpler and even provide support to your app when you update it in the future. Code maintainability. When you hire Ionic developers from a recognized company like Moon Techno Labs, you don't just get an experienced team of developers to oversee your project. You'll also receive community support as part of the bargain. Closing thoughts. App development organizations like Moon Techno Labs evaluate their options before choosing one to work on the project delegated to them by their clients. Every reliable agency will compare the best cross-platform frameworks and then help clients decide. If you pick a cross-platform app development framework based on the information provided here, you won't have to look back again.